Very good evening to all of you. Today is a day of celebration, a day to acknowledge the hard work put in by our students, teachers, admin, and non teaching staff. Today is a day to remember our co founders, Sri Ranveer Singh Ji Rathod, Pramod Ji Chotia, Suresh Ji Kailash Ji Agarwal. And today is the day to express our gratitude towards the Prahlad Parikh and family for their support. And today is the day to share our achievements and future plans with you, the proud parents of unbounded Keolarites. The most important responsibility of the parents is to give their children a good learning environment, that is, a good school. Dear parents, you have given us the responsibility of shaping your child's future. We thank you for showing faith in us. And I, as the chairman of this institution, can assure you that we'll leave no stone unturned for a holistic development of your child. As soon as a child enters the premises of Teola Unbounded, we take charge. Our teachers and staff members welcome each and every child with love, passion, and a smile. I myself stand at the entry gates sometimes and have observed that the kids are enthusiastic and eager to learn. एक बार तो मैंने देखा एक बच्चा प्री प्राइमरी का बच्चा रोता हुआ अपने माता पिता के साथ रोता हुआ स्कूल गेट तक पहुंचा, लेकिन जैसे ही उसने अपने टीचर को देखा उसका रोना बंद, टीचर की अंगुली पकड़ी और मुस्कुराता हुआ गेट के अंदर. दिस इज द कल्चर हियर. द स्टूडेंट्स हैव अ यूनिक बॉन्ड विद द टीचर्स हियर and we make sure that each and every child is super excited to come to the school every day and enjoy his moments here. Dear parents, we have a student teacher ratio of 10:1. This is amongst the best in the country. And a class strength, we have a class strength of only 25 students in a section. This is also amongst the lowest in the region. The needs of each and every child is taken care of. And this personalized attention due to a low class strength brings out the best of every child. Under the leadership of Amit Kapoor and Nirjar Goyal, we have developed a work culture where everyone is equal and self-motivated to work. This has resulted in phenomenal results. Last year has been a very defining year for Teola Unbounded and our achievements have been great. Infrastructure wise, we have more than doubled the land area of this campus from 24,000 square yards to 55,000 square yards. A new building block is coming up. Our cricket and football fields are ready to use. 2 synthetic turf tennis courts are almost ready. And now we can also boast of perhaps the best skating track of Jaipur, a bend track. And dear parents, I'm happy to share that next year will also have an operational half Olympic size swimming pool. In academics, we have secured the second position in CEMMO. Second position not just in Jaipur or in Rajasthan, but across the entire country. Olympiads have awarded us the trophy of Best Principal and Best Coordinator School at the district level. We have successfully hosted Synergy Fest, an inter-school event. Even though Cambridge Board Management has foreseen that perhaps Teola Unbounded Jaipur can become a model Cambridge Board affiliated school of the country and thus have sent senior dignitaries to our school to give their guidance and input. Even in sports, our students have done well at SG, FI and ISSO level. Dear parents, these are no small achievements considering the fact that this is just the 4th academic year of this school and only the 2nd year of offline classes. Apart from academic excellence, sports and other activities, we are also working on the behavioral, emotional and spiritual development of every child. In line with today's theme of technology, we are constantly upgrading and enhancing our facilities with increasing use of technology. The avenues of learning increase manifold by use of technology. And in this world of machine learning and AI, everybody should learn how to use the latest technology. But however, we must also remember to be grounded to our roots. Here there is a major area of concern, and that is the eroding moral value systems of our future generation. Parents and grandparents, you have a major role to play. Please teach your children the moral values which you have inherited from your ancestors. Imbibe in them the moral values of being respectful, being respectful, showing gratitude and using the magical words like sorry and thank you. The values of being truthful and honest. The value of forgiving others and seeking forgiveness. The value of being soft-spoken, loving and compassionate. The value of involving your children in all the religious and spiritual activities at your home, like puja, satsang, meditation, etc. And the value of spending some family time together. I propose to introduce something called a zero screen hour in your daily life. एक आह्वान के साथ अपना वक्तव्य का समापन करना चाहता हूँ। हमें अपनी दैनिक दिनचर्या में एक ज़ीरो स्क्रीन आवर का समावेश करना चाहिए। रोज़ाना 7 से 8 या 8 से 9 या 8:30 से 9:30 1 घंटे हम सबको अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन्स, लैपटॉप, कंप्यूटर, टेलीविज़न और दूसरे गैजेट्स को बंद कर देना चाहिए और एक साथ बैठकर पूरे परिवार को भोजन करना चाहिए। साथ में बैठकर हेल्दी डिस्कशन और क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड करनी चाहिए। मेरा मानना है कि अगर हम ज़ीरो स्क्रीन आवर को अपने दैनिक जीवन का हिस्सा बनाते हैं तो अभूतपूर्व फ़ायदे होंगे। यही मेरा आह्वान है, इस बारे में सोचें और ज़ीरो स्क्रीन आवर को अपनाने का प्रयास करें। Thank you for coming to this event. I once again extend my grand welcome to you and thank you for adding grace to the event. I am sure you are going to enjoy the performance put in by Unbounded Theodorites. So sit back, relax, enjoy and be ready to be mesmerized. Thank you, Abhar and Namaskar.